Hi, welcome to the new video session of your chapter Bioinorganic Chemistry 1. Okay, today this video we are going to discuss the two non-heme dioxygen carriers protein present in lower organism. Okay, we are already discussed the topic oxygen carriers, hemoglobin and myoglobin. Okay, this video we are going to discuss the dioxygen carriers present in lower organism. There are non-heme proteins, non-heme dioxygen carriers present in lower organism, hemoerythrin and hemocyanics. Both are non-heme proteins present in lower organism. Okay, we are going to discuss the detail about hemoerythrin. Okay, hemoerythrin, a non-heme biological dioxygen carriers. Okay, introduction and structure of the hemoerythrins are hemoerythrin is a non-heme dioxygen binding iron protein and is utilized by 4 phyla of marine invertebrates. Okay, hemoerythrin is a non-heme dioxygen binding iron protein and is utilized by 4 phyla of marine invertebrates. Okay, like hemoglobin and myoglobin, hemoerythrin contain Fe2 which bind oxygen reversibly. However, when oxidized to metherythrins Fe3, it does not bind dioxygen. Okay, however, when oxidized to metherythrin Fe3 in that state, it does not bind dioxygen. Okay. The oxygen binding site contain a pair of iron atoms. The oxygen binding site contain a pair of iron atoms. That means a single hemoerythrin contains 2 iron atoms. Okay, 2 iron atoms. Monomeric myoerythrins, trimeric and octameric form of hemerythrin are known. Okay, the octameric form with molecular weight around 108,000 transport dioxygen in the blood. Okay. In the tissue, it exists a monomer, dimer, trimer or tetramer. Okay, recall as hemoglobin consists of 4 chains, each having close similarity to the single chain of myoglobin. Similarly, octameric hemoerythrin has 8 subunits which have close similarity to quaternary structure to myohemerythrin. Okay, then hemoerythrin is the octameric hemerythrins contain 8 subunits which have close similarity quaternary structure to myoerythrin. Okay, every oxygen binding sites respective of being a monomer or octamer has 2 Fe2 atoms and the reactions occurs by a redox reaction to give iron ferric and peroxide O2 2 minus. Okay. Every oxygen binding site respective of being a monomer or octamer has 2 ferrous atom and the reaction occurs by a redox reaction to give ferric and peroxide. Okay, this is the major difference between hemoglobin and hemerythrin. That means the binding of dioxygen. Okay, in binding of dioxygen in hemerythrin like peroxide and the oxygen binded hemerythrin Fe in Fe3 plus state, that means ferric state. Okay, the oxy and deoxy hemerythrin may be oxidized to ferric state. Met species oxy hemerythrin is diamagnetic to show the spin coupling of the odd electrons on the 2 ferric atoms. Okay, I will repeat one more. The oxy and deoxy hemerythrin may be oxidized to ferric species. Okay, oxy hemerythrin is diamagnetic to show the spin coupling of the odd electron on the 2 ferric atoms. Okay, structurally the 2 ferrous iron atoms in deoxyhemerythrin in each subunit are placed close to each other and have nearly octahedral coordination. Okay, in deoxy forms, iron in hemerythrin are octahedral coordinations. Okay, these are bridged by an oxygen atoms from water, hydroxo or oxo. Okay, one of the ferrous atom is bound to 3 histidine residue and the other 2. Okay, other two. One of the ferrous atom in deoxyhemerythrin by 3 histidine and other 2 histidine. Okay, and other by 2. Okay, moreover, there are 2 bridges between these iron 2 atoms made of carboxylate group of glutamate 58 amino acid residue and aspartate 106 residue of the proteins. In deoxyhemerythrin has 2 ferrous atom. Note the point that in deoxyhemerythrin has 2 ferrous atom. One is hexacoordinate and other is pentacoordinate. One is hexacoordinate and other one is pentacoordinate. Okay, in left side the Fe coordinated by 3 histidine and 2 glutamate and aspartate and 1 hydroxo group. On the right side the Fe coordinated by 2 histidine and 1 glutamate, 1 aspartate and 1 hydroxo. That means in left side ferrous atoms coordinated by 6 ligand and the right side a ferrous ion coordinated by 5 ligand. Okay, one ferrous atom is bound to 3 histidine residue and the other ferrous to 2 histidine residue. Okay, the 2 Fe ferrous atoms are joined by 3 bridges. One OH groups and second one carboxylate group from glutamate residue and third one carboxylate group from aspartate residue. Okay, next we are going to discuss the mechanism of oxygen binding. Okay, it has been proved that dioxin binds symmetrically in oxyhemerythrin. Okay, dioxin binds symmetrically in oxyhemerythrin. Okay, the end-on coordination of dioxin to only one of the ion center in oxyhemerythrin has been revealed. Okay, the end-on coordination of dioxin to only one of the ion center in oxyhemerythrin has been revealed. Okay, the 2 ferrous centers combine with 1 O2 molecules and get oxidized to ferric while O2 is reduced to peroxide forms. Okay, that means after oxygenation or after oxygen binding, the ferrous state is converted to ferric state. Both ferrous state converted into ferric state, and oxygen is reduced to peroxide forms. Okay, the 2 ferrous centers combine with 1 O2 molecule, dioxide molecules, and get oxidized to ferric while O2 is reduced to peroxide forms. Okay, one may recall that hemoglobin after binding with O2 retain iron in Fe2 states. That means in hemoglobin and myoglobins both iron atom present in ferrous state, both oxidized and deoxidized state. Okay, means oxygenate and deoxy forms. Okay, thus O2 binding in hemerythrin is a redox reactions. Okay, that why the O2 binding in hemerythrin is a redox reaction, because in deoxy form iron atom present in ferrous state and oxy forms iron atoms, the 2 iron atom present in ferric state. Okay, the peroxide ion O2 minus formed in oxyhemerythrin is not bound irreversibly to ferric. However, it is transferred at the required site and the ferric returns to ferrous state. Okay, in deoxy state, from oxy to deoxy state, the ferric converted to again ferrous state. Okay, the O2 binding process is shown the picture and is formally similar to the reactions. Okay, with difference the dioxin attaches to only one Fe center. Okay, the speciality of this binding is that the iron binds only one ferric ion center. That means the pentacoordinated ion only binds the dioxin in the peroxide forms. Okay, note that hydrogen atom of OH bridges of hemerythrin has not been located, but it is shown here stabilizes the peroxide on by hydrogen bonding. Okay, the hydroxo group already present in the hemerythrin is stabilized by hydrogen bond. Okay, the O2 binds to pentacoordinated ferric centers, the two electrons, and get transferred from two ferric centers. This give a binuclear ferric moiety with peroxide attached to one ferric centers. Okay, that's about hemocyanin. So hemocyanin is a non-heme proteins present in lower organism, arthropoda-like lower organism. That's about hemoerythrins. Okay, next we are going to discuss the another non-heme proteins, hemocyanin. Okay, hemocyanin is a non-heme and non-cyanide containing dioxygen carriers. Okay, hemocyanin is a non-heme, not the point, non-heme and non-cyanide containing dioxygen carriers which contain copper proteins or which contain copper atoms. Okay, copper ion. Hemocyanin or Hc are found in many species in mollusca and arthropoda. On oxidation, the colorless proteins become blue. Okay, thus cyanin from cyanos, Greek meaning of this word cyanus is blue in Greek. Okay, hemocyanin are found in many species in the mollusca and arthropoda. On oxidation, the colorless proteins become blue. That means in deoxy to oxy state, the color becomes blue. Okay, the active site of hemocyanin is shown the picture. In this, the deoxy state, the two copper atoms are far apart, 460 picometer, and thus no direct interaction exists between them. Okay, each copper atoms is the 3 coordinated and bound in a pyramidal array involving 3 histidine residue. Okay, each copper atoms is 3 coordinated and bound in a pyramidal array involving 3 histidine residue. Okay, the cuprous Cu1, Cu plus 1 state. The cuprous is a typical to display a low coordination number and is normally 2 to 4 coordinates. 2 to 4 coordinate. Okay, to bind O2, the protein adjusts its conformation in a way so as to bring two copper atoms close to each other. When the copper sites become 5 coordinated, a typical behavior of cupric, that means copper 2+. Okay, in hemocyanin, the oxygen binding centers are similar and are composed of a pair of copper atoms each bound by 3 histidine ligand. An empty cavity exists between the copper atoms which accommodate dioxygen molecules. Okay, the copper is in +1 oxidation state in the deoxy forms and +2 in the oxy forms. Note the point that the copper in deoxy form is +1 oxidation state, that means cuprous, and the oxy state, that is +2 oxidation state, that is cupric. Okay, one may recall that the geometry of the coordination of the deoxy hemocyanins. In deoxy hemocyanins, both cuprous or copper atoms coordinated by 3 histidine residue and a cavity between these two copper atoms. Okay, a cavity between this copper unit. Okay, of dioxin is a superoxo, MOO, in oxyhemoglobin and hydroperoxo in MOMOOH in oxyhem. Okay, a third mode of binding between oxygen carrying metal atoms and dioxin has been observed in hemocyanin. Okay, the dioxin molecule oxidized each copper plus 1 to plus 2, that means cuprous to cupric, and itself get reduced to the peroxide ions. Okay, in hemocyanin the binding of oxygen in the peroxide form, in the reduced peroxide forms. Okay, the two cupric state or copper 2 plus atoms are bridged by the peroxide ion. Each oxygen atom is bonded to both copper atoms. That the bridging ligand, the peroxide O2 minus, has geometry A and not B, is in agreement with the spectral features. Okay, A is expected to give one stretching band while B give two in stretch mode with structural features. A only one mode as observed. Okay, this is the deoxy forms of oxyhemocyanin. Okay, in oxyhemocyanin, copper in 4 coordinations. In deoxy form, copper in 3 coordinations. Okay, sorry, in oxy form, copper in 5 coordination, and deoxy form, copper in 3 coordination. Okay, the oxygen present in peroxide form. Okay, that's about the non-heme dioxin carriers in lower organisms, especially in arthropoda, mollusca, etc., etc. Okay, that's about hemocyanin and hemoerythrin. Okay.